Wear test with Dunch!
So, quick disclaimer lang before we start. So, this isn't sponsored. So, I bought this myself and this review is based on my real experience. I'm going to an event today, so I thought this would be the perfect chance to test out the BYS High Altitude Mascara and see how it performs. So, ang claims ng BYS Mascara ay Intense Volume Lash Lift and Waterproof. So, itetest natin siya now na. First impression, so ang dali niya lang din i-apply. At tapos ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko dun sa mascara is hindi siya nag-leave ng clumpy finish. And then, na-define niya rin talaga yung lashes ko. And then, they look clean and separated naman. Pagdating naman sa lash lift, hindi ko masyadong na-achieve yung expected ko. Pero feeling ko, it's more because hindi masyadong na-curl ng eyelash curler ko yung eyelashes ko before applying yung mascara. So instead na magstay lifted yung lashes ko, bumababa siya after the application. During the event, wala naman akong naramdamang bigat sa lashes ko. Hindi rin siya naging clumpy throughout the day. May konting smudging lang ako na-experience pero hindi naman siya yung sobra. Feeling ko factor na din yung humid weather at oily eye area ko, so kaya nagkaroon din siya ng slight smudge. Lastly, sa waterproof claim naman, personally, hindi niya masyadong na-meet yung expectation ko. So after the event, naghilamos lang ako gamit yung water, so I gently rub my lashes lang, and natanggal agad yung mascara. So it actually reminded me of a tubing mascara because it came off pretty easily with just water. So paano pa kaya if may sabon or oil cleanse na ako nilagay? Pero of course, this is just based on my own experience, so your results might be different. So, to sum it all up, if you would ask me kung bibilhin ko ba ulit ito, I'll probably say pass for now. So, to be fair, na-lift naman niya yung lashes ko, pero feeling ko may nahanap lang din talaga ako sa isang mascara na hindi ito na-deliver for me. Again, this is just based on my own experience. Iba-iba naman tayo ng lashes, preferences at expectations. So baka nag-work siya sa inyo or mag-work better siya for you kaysa sa naging experience ko.
One product down, marami pang susunod. That's it for today's honest review. If may product pa kayong gustong ipabudol or ipatest sa akin, comment it down. Baka yun ang next nating i-wear test with Dunch!